Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to use custom fields on your estimates in QuickBooks Online. To start with, I'll show you how to get to your custom fields. You'll click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Under the header for list, you'll go down to custom fields. This is going to show you your field name and where your field gets applied. In this case, we're talking about the estimate. So I know the field name customer PO will appear on my estimate. Let's go ahead and take a look at an estimate to see what this looks like. In the upper left-hand corner, I'll click on plus new. Under the customers column, I'm going to select estimate. Let's get rid of the pop-ups. So my customer PO number shows up right here. The last one I used was testing 123 because I was feeling very creative at the moment. Let me go ahead and get some information so we can see what it looks like when the customer sees it. So let's do demo, make it $1. I'm going to go ahead and save. And now we'll do print and download, and we should see what it looks like. So there it is. It just shows up kind of in the center, I guess the center. It's the left and right center, almost the top and bottom center. So I think that's good. It's nice to know where it shows up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. If you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see me make, please don't hesitate to let me know. All right, I'll see you around YouTube.